Welcome back to day number 101, and it is Thursday the 23rd of June 2022. In this quick daily vlog I will show you my transplant area, mid to crown PRP area and my donor area. For anyone wondering, I use Minoxidil 5% foam daily with 0 side effects. I am also on 0.25 milligrams, a quarter of a 1 milligram tablet of finasteride every day. I know you don't use Main anymore, but what point do you think it would be safe to start using it? I think that's quite a good question. I am presuming he's had a hair transplant and he's in the early weeks, or if anyone is watching and you are in the early weeks, then I would recommend not using it at all. The fibers do dry out your scalp, so you've just had a hair transplant. The worst thing you could do is dry out your scalp even more. You want your head to always be quite moist and wet to get rid of the scabs. But now let's say after 2-3 weeks you've gotten rid of all scabs. This is now the time where your hair is most vulnerable because it determines whether you are going to shed or not. You can shed from anywhere from 2 to 12 weeks and roughly around those areas. So by entering Main or any topic fibers into your hair, yes, that would hide any balding and thinning and also any form of shed. But once you go to shower out, you really have to scrub your scalp, so you really have to distress your hair. Our thinning hair is already weak and brittle, so what you're doing is you've already had a hair transplant, you want to maintain that hair transplant area, and by scrubbing your hair vigorously to get out all the fibers, you are increasing the risk of having even more shed. Personally, I do feel it's doing more harm than good. I do feel treating your hair like a prestige car, so to speak. So be as gentle as possible. Avoid hair dryers, avoid towel drying, and avoid fibers in the early stages. Now, if you've gone a few months after your hair transplant and your hair is looking a lot better, then yes, I would say go to fibers if you really need to, because you've given your hair the chance to naturally shed or not. You are therefore giving your hair the best chance of growth, and then you can't blame the clinic for losing any grafts naturally because you haven't actually forced your grafts out due to vigorously washing your hair trying to get the fibers out. So really, to answer the question, I would say wait a few months and then apply the fibers. Give your hair the best chance to naturally shed on its own. That's it, we're coming to the end of this daily video. Please check out my other videos, please like the video, please comment, please subscribe. Peace out, love you all my subscribers.